Hello and welcome to week 2 in the psychology of adulthood, and we are looking at chapter 2. And what chapter 2 introduces is kind of my favorite things. I would sing the song, but it would be very horrible. But these are a few of my favorite things, favorite theories associated with describing adult changes in development. Um, the reason why we have so many theories is because humans defy our, uh, our ambition to describe it. Just lots of different factors go into how we evolve in our lifespan and whatnot, and so we need a lot of ways of describing it. And so each one of these, even if they're sort of contradictory to each other and look at different aspects of human development, are all lenses through which we can examine our own development. Meaning, they all carry some level of truth in them, and they've been around for long enough that we can really hang our hat on some of these. So we're going to be focusing on those. These include Erikson, Marcia, Piaget, multiple intelligence theory, ecological theory, and then looking glass self and how these affect. So, what the discussion is going to focus on as you come to know these different models, kind of the basis of the theoretical and modeled approach to understanding adult development. Which do you think it rings as very important to you? Let's share about which one of these and why. Why does a particular theory sort of resonate with your experiences in terms of a really good way to describe something that you've been through, a change that you've been through as you've aged? And then the assignment actually is sort of it's applying each one of these. It's sort of a grunt sort of assignment. I want you to take each one of these, and I want you to explain some aspect of your adult development using each one of those. Now, you have the option to take the difficult path. The difficult path is to take one aspect of your development and explain it in each one of those ways. So, same component, like say your development of intimate relationships. So, take that one topic of development and use those theories, all of them, to address your experiences in that. Or the path of lesser resistance is to look at different aspects of your personality, of yourself, that are better explained by different theories. Both are perfectly cool. Both are challenging. One's a little bit less challenging because the theories themselves speak to specific things, but equally explorative. And for those of you who are just go-getters, do both. For each one, have your topic that you're covering on all of them, and then another example for something that is uniquely appropriate to be explained with that particular theory. So, go for it. This is actually a really neat way to get to know the nuts and bolts of each one of these theories. These pieces here are part of the final assignment, the personal reflection on your own personality. So the autoethnography. Sorry, I wasn't expecting to talk about the final today, so I've had to come up with that word. The autoethnography, which is the final assignment in this class, will have you're basically going to take this assignment and plop it right into that final. So do that work now, get all that stuff done, and that will be ready for you to plop into your autoethnography at the end of the class. So, nice exploration of the different major theories that are out there. Probably some names that you're very familiar with. I think maybe James Marcia might be new to you. And Looking Glass Self is certainly one of the core theories of understanding the relationship between our adult development, our development throughout lifespan, and social forces. In fact, in my other, some of you are taking both of my classes right now. We're going to talk about looking glass self and personality as well this week. So they're going to be all full of looking glass self. Cool. All right. So I will see you online in that discussion, sharing those ideas. Have a great week and take care.